Let's apply the laws of indices to simplify these expressions. Solution. The first example we have 3y squared times 5y raised to the power minus 3. To simplify this, we split the numbers and the lettered expression. That is 3y squared, same thing as having 3 times y raised to the power 2, then times 5y raised to the power minus 3 is same thing as having 5 times y raised to the power minus 3. Now bring the numbers together. We rearrange 3 times 5 times y raised to the power 2 times y raised to the power of minus 3. Now here we can multiply 3 times 5, 15, times, here we can apply the multiplication law in indices. That is, since they are of the same base, write out one of the base, the power here 2 plus, now here you have the power here as minus 3, so we have to put it in brackets, minus 3, like this. Then we'll simplify further. 15 times y raised to the power of, whenever we have 2 plus minus 3, we know this plus has to multiply this minus we have inside the bracket. So we'll be having 2 plus times minus, minus 3. And becomes 15 times y raised to the power of 2 minus 3, minus 1. And minus 1, negative power, in law of indices, the same thing as having 15 times 1 over y raised to the power of 1, but y raised to the power of 1 is still y, so here we have 15 over y, and that gives us the final answer for the first example. Now the second example, we have 18p raised to the power of 2 divided to the power of minus 2 divided by 9p raised to the power of minus 5. To simplify this, let's rewrite it. This is 18p raised to the power minus 2 over 9p raised to the power minus 5. Now the numbers can divide out each other. 9 goes in 9 1, 9 goes in 18 2. So we have 2. Now because they are of the same base, you can apply the division law of indices here. So we'll pick out one of the bases p, then write this out first, minus 2 divided by, in law of indices, divide signifies you have to subtract the power. So you have minus. Here the power here is still minus 5. So we put inside brackets minus 5. We simplify further, 2p raised to the power of minus 2, minus times minus, plus 5. And here we have 2p minus 2 plus 5, 3. So that gives us the final answer as 2p all raised to the power of 3. So this is how to simplify this expression using the law of indices. Thank you.